Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to spy on native ads using a pretty cool native ad spy tool called Anstrex. So what this tool does is it pulls in all of the native ads and it kind of organizes them based on a lot of different factors. So what you're looking at is the screen that you see when you log in. This is the ad creative image. This is the headline. Sometimes there will be a title down here that people use for, either the name of the site or the product that they're promoting. You can see the traffic network, the native ad network that they are advertising in or on, the device that the ad is being run on, and the countries that the ad is being run on. And there's also two numbers here. Both of these numbers are kind of like proprietary numbers that Anstrex has created. Gravity, from what I understand, is kind of how recent the campaign is. The higher the number, meaning it just means that the campaign has been recently running very strong. Ad strength is basically like duration and how well the ad did over time. So if you see a high ad strength number, what that means is it was running for quite a long time, but you can't really tell how recent it's been running unless you're looking at gravity. And of course, at the top, this is the date the ad was first seen. This is the date the ad was last seen. So the way that I use this tool is I want to find things that have been running for a X number of days and that are still running, because that tells me, first of all, if it's been running for say 30 days, it's likely that it's successful. It's probably profitable or very close to being profitable. But I also want to know that it's still working. So the way that I do that is, if I'm looking for a specific niche, let's say diet. I'll just start with that. I'll start with the keyword. So you can type in any keyword that you want to there. And now from this, I want to be able, like I said, I want to be able to see things that are still running and that have been running for a long time. So the way I do that is by using this slider up here that's called days running, and I'll slide it over, and I'll usually start with 30. Sometimes I'll do 60 or 90 days or even more if I want to find something that's really, really successful. But now everything that is being shown here has been running for at least 30 days. So now that's good. Now the next thing is I want to be able to see what ads are still running. So I go to sort by, and I sort by the date last seen, and I sort it by descending. So what it's going to show me are the most recent campaigns, basically the campaigns that are still running and that have been running for at least 30 days or more. So now all I see are campaigns that have been running for at least 30 days and that are still running. You can see date last seen, February 5th, 2019. And you can see down here in my calendar app, that is today's date. So from here, there's a number of other ways that you can even filter these even more. Maybe I only want to see ads that are running on taboola. So I'll go and pick taboola. And maybe I only want to see ads that are running in the United States. So go pick USA. And then from here you can, maybe I only want to see ads that are using some kind of a third-party tracker. Let's say if you just click all, that will show ads that are using a third-party tracker. You could tell that most of these people are either using. Actually, I don't know. Maybe that doesn't even really work that well. Let me pick, like, you can see volume here. Let's see if anybody's using volume. Nope. So that's probably not a good one to use, at least for this. Maybe I want to just sort by campaigns that are on just advertising on mobile. So now you can see all of these filters that I've used to really narrow this down to a very specific segment. And I'm able to see the ones that have been running for a very long time, or maybe I could see that maybe something isn't running for a very long time. That's that could tell you a lot as well. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this tool. It's just a matter of what you want to use it for, what you're really looking for. So let me reset this, and we'll do something else. So let's say you want to promote a ClickBank product, and you want to see like what type of ClickBank products are running on let's say mgid. So I'm going to start with affiliate network, and I'm going to go down to ClickBank. And next I'm going to pick mgid. And now I want to see like which ones have been running the longest. So there aren't that many. Let's just go to 15. And now this is from November, so I want to see whatever the most recent is. So the date last seen descending. So the most recent is December 23rd, 2018, and it was started in on November 16th, so it was running for a little bit more than a month. And what's cool about this is I can click this, and I can see where they're sending their traffic to. It takes a screenshot of that page, gives you the link to the page. It tells you what the offer is. So they're just looks like sending it straight to the landing page. And I can actually download landing pages right here, and use them myself. I can tweak them and use them on my own campaign. So let's look at this one. So this is a typical advertorial for mobile. So that's where they're sending the traffic to here, and then this is the offer page. This is where they're sending the traffic to from the landing page. So you can get all of this data very fast. It's incredible. So one last thing I want to show you. Let's get rid of mgid, and instead let's do revcontent. So now here's one for Ted's Woodworking. It's been running since March 3rd, 2018, approaching a year that it's been running. And they're sending the traffic to this landing page. But here's what I want to show you. So if you click publishers, you can see the actual publishers that they're advertising on inside of revcontent. So you can go straight to revcontent and basically set up a whitelist campaign. With revcontent, you can do whitelist campaigns with widget IDs. So if I click these and do export widget ID, I can export all of the widget IDs of these that they're running on. And maybe I only want to run on the ones that they've been doing for more than 300 days. I could do that very easily with that. So Anstrex is a pretty cool tool. What I have is actually a 20% off lifetime discount off of all of their monthly plans. So if you click the link below this video and enter the coupon code NAR_20, you'll get 20% off any of their monthly plans. Thanks a lot.